Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio Direct Bilirubin oxidation method. This is a chemistry product. Over here we can see the brand name Zybio, product name DBIL Direct oxidation method, chemistry product. This is the overall front view. On the top we can see the product short form DBIL Direct Bilirubin kit, Direct oxidation method. This kit contains 30 ml into 3, reagent 2, 7.5 ml into 3. Over here reference number of this kit 01.00.02.EC.01. Then here we can see the lot number, manufacturing date, expiry date, one instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. We should maintain the temperature of this kit between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius. That's why I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of this kit. And over here we can see the manufacturing address, Zybio International, manufacturing from Republic of China. So the origin of the kit is Republic of China. This is the overall top view. On this side we can see the brand name Zybio. On this side we can see the category of chemistry. On this side we can see the brand name of Zybio. This is the overall view of this product. Now I am going to unpack this for your reference. Yeah, after opening we can see the reagents. I am going to take this reagents. So these are the products from this kit. So here we can see one by one. First of before that we can see the instruction manual. Over here we can see the brand name Zybio. This is a C certified IVD product. Reference number of this kit is 01.00.02.EC.01. 30 ml into 3, 7.5 ml into 3, Zybio EXE 200 or 220. Over here we can see the intent use, summary, principal, reagent components, storage and availability. These are the stuff inside this instruction manual. Yeah, after that we can see the reagents, Zybio DBIL reagent 1 30 ml into 3 nozzles and Zybio DBIL Direct Bilirubin reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3. So this is a overall view. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about the Zybio DBIL Direct Bilirubin. This kit contains reagent 1 30 ml into 3 and reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3. So here we can see one instruction manual there and the Zybio Direct Bilirubin reagent 1 30 ml into 3, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3. This is the overall view. Thank you.